Hey guys, it's me Anugya and welcome to my channel. Last time when I had uploaded the recipe of chocolate chip oat cookies, many of you messaged me for an eggless version of the same. So today I'm going to be making eggless chocolate chip oat cookies, the same cookies that you would get in a Subway or a Starbucks. Let's get started. Ingredients are unsalted butter at room temperature, water, white sugar, some salt, baking soda, brown sugar, vanilla essence, plain flour or maida, oats and chocolate chips. Let's get started. Let's beat the butter, which is at room temperature, and the white sugar and the brown sugar, and vanilla essence. Okay, so this is light and fluffy. Now we can add the plain flour or maida and some salt. And mix well. Okay guys, so now we'll be adding water with baking soda, but the water that you're going to be adding, it's supposed to be boiling water. So let's boil the water. So our water has boiled. So put the hot water in baking soda, mix it well. Once the baking soda is dissolved, then we'll add this hot water to our mix. And now mix well. Okay, so now we can add the oats and the chocolate chips. At this stage, you can even add some dry fruits of your choice. You can add raisins, you can add almonds, cashews, and give a nice mix. Okay guys, so the cookie dough is ready and I'm also preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I've got my baking tray ready with parchment paper or baking paper, and now we'll be giving shape to the cookies. So this is how it looks, the cookie dough. Now I'll be making balls out of this cookie dough. I'm using a spoon so that I have uniform sizes of my cookies. Okay, so this is ready to go inside the oven, and please don't overbake. It's been almost 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes and the cookies are out from the oven. We'll let them rest for about 5 to 7 minutes and then transfer to a wired rack. These cookies are exceptionally great to pack for your gift boxes, and whoever you gift it to is going to be very delighted. I like to have these cookies when they are warm, so either when they're out from the oven, or for example if you want to eat it later, then put them in an airtight container, and when you want to eat, just microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds. Just put them on any tray. I seriously cannot wait to try them. Too good. You have to make it to experience it. It's really soft from inside and has got a crusty exterior. It's addictive. Do try it, guys. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this recipe. Thank you so much. Bye.